Hello guys, back in the video today. Today, I got some of these little things out here, some Tech Decks. These are some fingerboards. Pretty hard to do it here. But, some fingerboards, and I have some BMX bikes, which I'm pretty good on BMX bikes. Not so much on the fingerboards, but here's a razor blade. And let's crack open these packages, because I got two. Just went to the store. Went to a nearby Walmart. And, you know. This is the Cult one. So this is the white BMX bike we're going to first look at. Try to get rid of the frame, preferably. There we go. This is the Cult BMX bike. It's got actually a little, I don't know if you guys can see it, a little brake cable. Handlebars a little bent. We can bend it up. Use a hairdryer or a heat gun. Just a wee bit, just to test it. See if I'm good with these. I forget how to do these. Okay, I need to move my thumb up. I'm almost there. 1 second. Okay, I might have to do a little testing on this bike, but there's that one. Let's crack this one out of the packaging and let's test these bikes out. I also have like a half pipe and some other stuff we can look through. And this one I bought, they only had a few left. This one is pretty cool. Because purple and because tire. The tires are really clean on this bike. And I thought it would be a really cool bike to add to my collection. I don't really have many of these, of the BMX bikes, because, well, they are pretty cool in my opinion, but I don't have many of them. There we go, purple one. Different tires. Okay, I think I might be able to get this one. Damn it. There. Shoot. We'll try out both in a second. Let me just put them back a little bit, like there. Clean up this mess I made. Okay, let's go into depth for both of these bikes. So, we got first here, let's go over this purple one first. This is the We Are the People bike. Functional pedals. It's got a chain. This one does not have a brake. The Cult one has a brake cable. I like this one a little more just because of the brake cable. That's pretty much the only reason why. Love the tires on this bike though. Pretty cool. And of course, 1 second, you can wheelie the John. You can do tricks on it, of course. Oh my, look at that, the wheel. Ah, there you go, sorry. I just noticed that in the camera. Wheel's a little bit loose. I'm not sure if I need some glue for that. Preferably not super glue, because super glue oozes out and then you have some really ugly white lines on your brand new bike. We grab a half pipe from upstairs and wonder if we can do better tricks. Yeah, these tires are brand new. Yeah, I'm not doing so well on this one. I haven't tried this one yet. Okay, this one definitely is a little bit. Oh yeah, the brake cable. I mean, the bike is a little bit. Wonder if I can do some tricks. Okay, after doing some tricks on the purple bike, like that, I just realized this bike and this bike, because of this brake cable, when you're doing the bar around the whole bike, like on this one, when I do this, and the back fully tails around, on the purple bike I can do it. on this green bike I can do it. Because of this brake cable, once it goes past here, it becomes tight. When I do it this way, can't even make it back. It just gets so tight, as you can see. So this bike would be only good for doing like grinds or wheelies with these pegs. That's pretty much what this bike is, unless you want to cut it. But this brand new cult bike is nice, and I don't really want to be cutting and doing mods to it because I just got it. And also it's nicer to keep, you know, simple, because I think it looks good in my opinion. It's a nice looking little toy bike. I mean, this one is definitely going to be more fun to be playing around with. This would be more like a stunt bike, because I can do a lot more tricks in this one. Like, look at that. Easy. That was pretty shitty there, but you get the point. But yeah, let's line up some of these bikes and see which one I like the most.